The universe began with a super big bang, its size is infinite, and it is full of extremely destructive dark matter. Is any of this true? Can light-speed spaceships really travel between galaxies? The truth may not be what we think. 1. Is the universe began with an explosion? 13.8 billion years ago, a small dense ball with infinitely small size and infinite mass exploded. Since then, the universe has been born. Although this is a widely circulated theory, cosmologists always try to tell us it's not what we think it is. In the first place, did something really explode? Apparently not. In this regard, the consensus of scientists is that the universe began with rapid expansion. And not like a bomb exploded. It is space, not objects, that expands rapidly. Everything in the universe is still in the same position as 13.8 billion years ago. It's just that the space between objects is constantly expanding. 2. Light-speed ships travel through the universe. In science fiction, spaceships can easily move between galaxies using warp engines, faster than light thrusters, and other futuristic technologies. But in the real world, let alone the speed of light, it's completely impossible to even get close to the speed of light. The theory of relativity tells us that as the velocity increases, the mass of the object becomes heavier and heavier. When it is accelerated to close to the speed of light, the mass approaches infinity. This means that the amount of energy required to propel even 1 gram of an object is infinite. Therefore, the light-speed spaceship may only be a fantasy. 3. Black holes devour everything. Unlike what we see in the movies, black holes are not so-called cosmic tornadoes. Far from destroying everything in its path. In order to survive, they will not actively look for planets to devour. When massive stars run out of fuel and begin to collapse, the stellar debris, which becomes denser, constantly increases its own gravitational pull. Nearby planets, moons, and even other stars may be pulled into the event horizon. However, this is also just ordinary gravitational attraction. It's just that it's getting bigger. 4. Dark matter is destructive. In films, dark matter is often synonymous with disasters, and it is the initiator of all disasters. But in reality, this is not the case. Although it is the matter that fills the voids of galaxies, it accounts for 27% of the total matter in the universe. But due to its complete invisibility. So, humans have never seen or detected it. Most scientists believe that when dense areas of dark matter collide with galaxies or clusters of galaxies, a large number of energetic particles and radiation are produced, causing massive damage to the surrounding matter. In addition, dark matter impacts can also lead to the formation of black holes. However, these are all very devastating consequences of its interaction with ordinary matter. It can't be said that dark matter itself is destructive. 5. The universe is infinite. There is no doubt that the universe is indeed large, but it is not infinite. Whether it's our solar system, the Milky Way, or even the other 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. They are all measurable in size. The same is true of the universe. At present, the observable radius of human beings is about 47 billion light-years. This is not the true size of the universe, but the limits of what the human eye can reach. As for what else is beyond that, we can only wait for us to find out for ourselves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.